What in the world did he... Stop. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? As a creator, creating content is almost second nature. Once the idea hits my mind, I almost go into autopilot, doing scripting, recording, and editing until it's complete. However, getting it seen on the crowded space that is YouTube is a whole other challenge. With TubeBuddy though, you get access to a wide range of tools like tag optimizers and search ranking results to help you optimize your content to succeed on YouTube. Want to give it a shot? Click the link down below to learn more. Hello guys of YouTube. Today, this is going to be a PC par picker build competition that I've been doing with my Twitch viewers. People on Twitch, we're probably going to be uploading this to YouTube if this is as entertaining as the last one. So, hello guys. We are going to be doing a PC par picker build competition today. I had my friends on our Discord server submit PC par picker builds at the $1,000 price range. And we're going to go through them and do an elimination style bracket where I pick a PC par picker, go down the list and see if the next one beats it. If that beats it, just keep going down the list until the last man standing. Boom, good to go. So first up, we have my man Ashkin. So like this guy automatically is going to go to the next round because we have not rated anyone else. But we're going to, oh my Lord. What in the actual, what the hell is this? We're already starting off with some very weird PC builds, and that's what I love about this. We're already starting off. All right, so we got a Ryzen 7 2700. Good choice. 8 cores, 16 threads. Boom. Why in the world would you go with this thing? It's literally like a stock cooler. Well, wait, before we dive into this, let me refresh real quick. This is a $1,000 gaming PC. $1,000. It's judged for the best frames. It's for the best gaming PC. Who in their mother? I'm sorry, I gotta flame you. So we have the AM4 CPU cooler, the B450M motherboard, and 32 gigs of RAM. Why? Why 32 gigs of RAM? My man here is a Ryzen 5 3600. Is he? Wait. Why did he buy the Wraith Max cooler? Wraith Max cooler. Aha, X570 motherboard. All right, not the best value for money, but okay. Okay, this one already moves on, so we'll go ahead and eliminate. Where is it? Where's the guy who we need to eliminate? I need to be a moderator of my own subreddit, please. I can't remove anything. When we were a bunch of little baby YouTubers, we used to spam our videos on subreddits to try to get clout, you know? And we got blacklisted on Reddit, so... You know, learn from me. Don't do that. What I was going to say is, Ashen, I'm sorry, homie, but you done, dude. You done. All right, Sharka boy. Is this Cybershark? Is this goddamn Cybershark? All right, Ryzen 5 3600. Look at him getting a logical cooler. Ooh, look at that deal, though. $20 on the Hyper 212 LED. Okay, so MSI B450M motherboard, decent value. MSI makes some good motherboards. 16 gigs of RAM, 3000 megahertz. Okay, Cybershark, you had me. You had me. I know this is cheap, but what the hell is a Plex store? This is a little bit of word of advice. If you want to win the tiebreakers, you need to cater to my favorites. And I know people in chat know what is the meta, right? They know how to sway the judge. Cybersharks is just better. He has a 2070 compared to 3600. That motherboard is not going to hold back his performance at all. It's good. He's fine. He's good to go. On to the next one. Everyone's going with the 3600, which I love to see. It's a good meta. This is it, chat. Oh, okay. My man has made this a tough decision. G-Skill Ripjaws V-Series, 16 gigs of RAM at 3200 megahertz. We're at 3200. Now this is where things get interesting. He went with the 5700 XT. The 2070 Super is better than the 5700 XT. I'm sorry, buddy. Cybershark moves on. You almost did it. I'm so scared. All right, here's the meta. Here. Wait. No, he did not. No, he did not. He did not just put a hard drive in this build. He did not do a $1,000 build and put a hard drive in it. I don't know, chat. I didn't give any storage requirements. I don't know. But I mean, even then, like, I don't think a 3700X with a 5700 XT. Wubs, listen, it is best FPS, but if it looks like it's going to be a tie, I got to look at other things to separate them. You know, I can't just say best FPS, and then if they're the same, like, no one wins. Like, I gotta find other variables too. It still needs to be good. Dude, you gave it a great shot, Status Squad. Thank you for the biddies, Matt. I appreciate it. But you're gonna have to go, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, PC Power Picker. Let's see if the price is right. Okay, this price is fine then. Perfect. What in the world did he... Stop. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? I love this so much. There's no way that power supply... He got a Raid Max power supply to run 2 Vega 56s in Crossfire. We got an Intel boy. All right, this... Oh, this is going to be tough. So we got an i5 9400F. B360M motherboard, 16 gigs of that nasty RAM. I love it. 1 terabyte hard drive, 500. Oh, Pika, what are you doing, dude? You could have. Oh my lord, dude. You could have like just gotten a 500 gigabyte. You didn't need to add this like hard drive. You could have. Pika, man. You know, I appreciate you giving an honest effort. But you done, dude. Who is going to dethrone Cybershark? I can't have Cybershark winning this competition. It's going to inflate his ego like this much more. We don't need that. All right, let's continue. Ryzen 5 3600. Hyper 212. The RGB cooler. X470 motherboard. Okay, 16 gigs of RAM. You're done. I'm sorry. I feel like I'm going to keep eliminating the same builds. Because this is gonna perform less than Cybershark's. God, Cybershark, why did I have to do yours first? Because yours is gonna be like on the top. Like it's gonna be hard to eliminate you. Because like I'm going down the list and it's just, boy, what in the world is going on? Wait, Ma, you posted this 14 minutes ago. Wait, you posted this 51 minutes. Okay, 14 minutes ago. Ma, I can't even look at your PC par picker. Sorry. Okay, let me look at it. Let me see if it's 1,000 times better, I'll consider it. Oh, shit. Oh, dude, should we look at it? Should we look at it? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh no, chat. I'm not gonna show you it yet. I'm gonna straw poll this. All right. Okay. Next time, I'm gonna let this slide this time because the builds have been so bad, and I think this one just won. Ryzen 5 3600 Hyper, the T4 with the B450 motherboard, 16 gigs of RAM, 2070 Super. The case is better. I'm just saying. I don't know. Okay. Let's check the RAM. Let's check the RAM. Let's check the RAM. What's the latency on the RAM? We got cast latency 16, cast latency 15 versus 16. I don't know what to do here, dude. I don't know. I mean, Cyber's got a point. He has better RAM. I'm just gonna, all right, I'm gonna be honest with you, Chad. This is how we're gonna do it. This is how we're gonna do it. Because within margin of error, I would be willing to bet that just because this RAM has a lower cast latency, within margin of error, the FPS is like nil. It's like this small, maybe a frame. What do I do? Flip a coin? Let's flip a coin, chat. Let's flip a coin. You know what? Fine, straw poll, whatever. We'll straw poll it. We'll straw poll. I'll let y'all straw poll. Who wins? Up until about 3466 megahertz, the frequency is generally a better gain for Ryzen. After that, it's all latency. So technically, his speed up to 3200 megahertz should be faster. No, this isn't the Linus Tech Tips video. So the Linus Tech Tips video did show that up to 3400 megahertz, more frequency is better compared to timings. Keep it going. I'm gonna give you all a few more seconds to vote. Ah, Lord have mercy. Ma, you're the champion. Congratulations. You won the PC Par Picker competition. And guess what you win? Absolutely nothing. Thank you for contributing to the competition. Guys, can we get a clap? Can we get a pog in the chat? Something like that, you know, something exciting, you know, something great. I think it's more entertaining with how corrupt the rules are and how the rules are very sketch. Like, I feel like the fact that the rules are kind of sketchy makes it more entertaining. So I think we should keep them kind of sketchy. Yo, Jim Man, thank you for gifting a sub to Ma. Thank you, man. There's your gift. It makes it funny. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna keep the rules sketchy. We're gonna keep the rules sketchy because it makes people have to defend their builds like all the time. It's hilarious. I love it. You're the winner. And for those who are watching on YouTube, be sure to like, subscribe, and if you like these kind of live stream highlights, please comment down below, comment Twitch, and also follow us on Twitch. I'd greatly appreciate it if you're doing so. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.